Hey there! Today in the classroom, we are making snow. It's magic snow. I'll show you how it works. I have some special snow powder. Put a little bit on a plate. Then all you do is add water and it fluffs up like snow. Let's see. Here it goes. Look at that. It becomes fluffy snowflakes. Whoa. It just grows and grows. Let's see what it feels like. Ooh. It feels like snow too. It's just not as cold, but it's fluffy and squishy. Beautiful snowflakes. Hey, do you think if we added colored water to the magic snow powder, do you think it would make colored snow? Let's find out. I have a couple different colors here. Red, green, and blue. Let's try making some colored snow. Let's start with the color blue. That's my favorite color. So we'll add some of the snow powder onto this yellow plate. And here comes the blue water. Do you think it's gonna turn the snow blue? Let's see. Here it goes. Whoa! Look how much bigger it got already. And it's blue. It's working. The blue water is turning the snow blue. Wow, blue snow, that's pretty silly. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger. Let's see these blue snowflakes. Snow from the sky. Wow. Be pretty silly to see blue snowflakes falling down. Let's try green snow. We'll try it on this pink plate. We'll add some more snow powder to the plate. Let's try making green snow. Get all the water. Ready? Here it comes. Woo. Look at that. Starts to get really fluffy, just like snow. It's green snow. It'd be pretty tricky if snow was green. You wouldn't know whether it snowed or whether it was just a nice day outside with green grass. Look at all that green snow. Let's get it all. A little bit more. Now let's see it snow. Here it goes. It's nice and squishy. I think we can make it a bit bigger too. Wow. That's amazing. One more color. Let's try the color red. We'll make some red snow on this orange plate. A little bit more powder. here comes the red water. Go! Wow! It's getting bigger! That's really cool. This is becoming sort of a light red color. It almost looks pink. It's fun making pictures in the snow. Let's see. Our red snowflakes. Beautiful. Let's get all our colored snow all together. Got red, green, blue, and white. Let's see it snow. My hand will be like the cloud. And we'll make it snow different colored snowflakes. And the green and the red. That's so fun to play with. Whew. That's fun playing with our magic snow. I hope you had a fun time. See you soon. Woo!